Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to send email campaigns using PipeDrive. First, you will need to log into your PipeDrive account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to create an account to access the email marketing tools. Once logged in, click on the Campaigns tab, and this section allows you to create, manage, and send your email campaigns. Click on New Campaign to start, enter campaign name and choose the audience from your contact list in PipeDrive. PipeDrive provides a drag and drop email editor. Customize your email with images, text, and links. Make sure to include a compelling subject line and call to action. Now after designing the email, review your content for any errors. Once everything looks good, hit send or schedule the campaign for a later time. And there you have it. You have successfully created and sent an email campaign using PipeDrive. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.